Charcoal has a long and rich history. For centuries, it has been a tool for healing and spiritual cleansing. Ancient cultures recognized its power. They used it in rituals to purify and protect. Today, we are rediscovering charcoal's incredible benefits. It is a natural and effective way to enhance our well being on all levels. Charcoal's story is intertwined with ours. It reminds us that wisdom from the past can guide us today. As we explore charcoal's uses, we tap into a timeless tradition. We embrace the power to cleanse and renew ourselves. Charcoal is a powerful absorbent. Its porous structure allows it to trap toxins and impurities. Think of it like a magnet. It draws out negativity and unwanted energies. This cleansing action is not just spiritual, it has a scientific basis. When we use charcoal for cleansing, we harness this natural power. We create space for positivity to flow. This allows our energy to flow freely. We can then manifest our desires and live with greater purpose. Charcoal's use transcends cultural boundaries. In Japan, it plays a vital role in the Jikisho ceremony. This ritual purifies spaces and promotes healing. African traditions incorporate charcoal in divination practices. It helps connect with ancestors and seek guidance. These diverse practices highlight charcoal's universal appeal. It's a testament to its power to bridge the physical and spiritual realms. Whether for cleansing spaces or seeking guidance, charcoal remains a sacred tool for many. Our minds are constantly bombarded with information and stimuli. This can lead to stress, anxiety, and mental clutter. Charcoal, with its purifying properties, can help create a sense of mental clarity. It's like hitting the reset button on our thoughts. By releasing negative thought patterns, we create space for inspiration and creativity. We become more focused, decisive, and better equipped to handle challenges. Charcoal encourages a sense of inner peace, allowing us to navigate life with greater ease. Section 5. Body Detox. Releasing toxins with charcoal. Just as charcoal cleanses our minds, it can also detoxify our bodies. It can help remove impurities that we accumulate daily. While not a substitute for medical treatment, it can be a valuable addition to a healthy lifestyle. Activated charcoal, in particular, is known for its ability to absorb toxins in the digestive system. It is often used to alleviate digestive discomfort. It is important to consult a healthcare professional before incorporating activated charcoal into your diet. Section 6. Spiritual Renewal. Connecting with your inner light. Charcoal's effects extend beyond the physical and mental realms. It has a profound impact on our spiritual well-being. It acts as a bridge, connecting us with our inner selves. It helps us release what no longer serves us and embrace our true potential. By letting go of negativity, we create space for love, compassion, and forgiveness to flourish. We begin to see ourselves and the world around us with greater clarity and understanding. This is the transformative power of charcoal. Section 7. A simple ritual. Harnessing charcoal's power. Incorporating charcoal into your life doesn't have to be complicated. Here's a simple ritual you can try. First, find a quiet space. Choose a place where you feel calm and centered. This could be a cozy corner in your home, a peaceful garden, or even a quiet spot in a nearby park. The key is to select a location where you can be undisturbed and fully present. Next, light a charcoal disc. Allow it to burn until it forms a glowing ember. This process may take a few minutes, so be patient and use this time to focus on your breathing and set your intention for the ritual. Then, pass the charcoal over your body. Visualize it absorbing negative energy. Imagine the charcoal drawing out any stress, anxiety, or negativity from your body and mind. Feel the weight lifting off your shoulders as the charcoal works its magic. Express gratitude. Thank the charcoal for its cleansing properties. Acknowledge the role it plays in your ritual and the positive impact it has on your well-being. Finally, extinguish the charcoal and safely dispose of the ashes. Remember, rituals are personal. Adapt this practice to resonate with your own beliefs and intentions. Feel free to incorporate other elements that hold significance for you, such as crystals, essential oils, or specific chants. The most important aspect is the intention you bring to the process. Whether you seek to cleanse your energy, find inner peace, or simply create a moment of mindfulness, let your intention guide you. Embrace the power of charcoal and make this ritual your own. Section 8. Charcoal in daily life. Simple ways to elevate your routine. Charcoal has been used for centuries for its purifying properties, and today it can easily be integrated into your daily routine to enhance your well-being. Beyond rituals, there are many simple ways to incorporate charcoal into your daily life. For instance, charcoal soap. This versatile product is not just a trend, it offers deep cleansing benefits that can transform your skincare routine. Use it for cleansing and purifying your skin. The activated charcoal in the soap binds to dirt and oil, effectively removing impurities and leaving your skin feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. Or a charcoal face mask. This powerful skincare treatment can be a game changer for your complexion. Apply it to draw out impurities and promote a healthy glow. The mask works by penetrating deep into your pores, absorbing toxins and leaving your skin looking clearer and more radiant. And don't forget a charcoal water filter. This simple addition to your kitchen can make a significant difference in the quality of your drinking water. Use it to purify your drinking water and remove toxins. The activated charcoal in the filter traps contaminants, ensuring that every sip of water you take is clean and safe. These are just a few examples of how charcoal can become a part of your daily routine. From skincare to hydration, charcoal's benefits are vast and varied. By incorporating it into your life, you invite its cleansing and purifying benefits into your everyday experiences. Whether it's through a relaxing face mask, a refreshing soap, or a purifying water filter, charcoal can elevate your routine and enhance your overall well-being. Section 9. Finding your power. Embracing the journey of cleansing. Cleansing is an ongoing journey, not a destination. It is about making conscious choices to create a life filled with positivity and purpose. Charcoal is a powerful tool that can support us on this journey, but the true power lies within each of us. As you embrace charcoal's cleansing properties, remember to listen to your intuition. Trust your inner guidance, allow yourself to release what no longer serves you, and step into your full potential. Section 10. Conclusion: a brighter path with charcoal. In this journey, we have explored the multifaceted benefits of charcoal, a substance that has been revered across cultures and generations. Charcoal has been a source of healing and purification for centuries. From ancient rituals to modern wellness practices, its uses are as diverse as they are profound. Its ability to cleanse on physical, mental, and spiritual levels is a testament to its enduring power. Whether used in meditation, as incense, or in beauty treatments, charcoal's purifying properties are unparalleled. By incorporating charcoal into our lives, we tap into a rich tradition of well-being. Imagine the clarity and peace that comes from a deep cleansing, not just of the body, but of the mind and spirit as well. As we move forward, let's embrace the transformative power of charcoal. It can be a simple addition to our daily routine, yet its impact can be profound, helping us to release negativity and invite positivity. Let it guide us towards a brighter, more fulfilling life. Picture a path illuminated by the gentle glow of charcoal embers, leading us towards our highest potential. Remember, you have the power to create the life you desire. With each use of charcoal, You are not just cleansing your surroundings, but also setting intentions for a better future. Start by cleansing your energy and watch as your dreams begin to unfold. Embrace the ancient wisdom of charcoal and let it be a beacon of light on your journey to wellness and fulfillment.